bad corner. I'm going to slow myself down this corner. The road looks fine, but it's not. It's gooey. Fine. Now she's sliding.
Whoa! Sliding in 4x4.
Don't be going down there, buddy.
Woo! Look at all the mud!
Just go.
Big chunks landing on the windshield.
My tires clean.
I can feel it under my feet.
A little bit of control.
Control. Just having fun. Look at all the mud flipping up in the air. That's cool. Windshield is just covered now. Back of the truck covered. Let's have a peek. Oh, turning around. Ah!
Oh, that's why it was frozen.
This is awful fun. As long as we don't hit the edge and roll or some darn thing.
Oh, I'm making it more difficult than it actually is. I'm enjoying it.
Ah! Camera slipped on my hands. It's easy to do when it's a bouncy ride. Coming up to a run! Woo! That was fun.
Trying it nicely.
My windshield is really muddy now.
I think I might be getting it too muddy, dear. Too muddy. You never get a truck muddy enough. That stuff. I just thought I would inspect the truck here, dear. Yeah, she's in there. She can't hear me. Just give me the finger.
Better not let me pissing.
Did you just give me the finger?
Or you'll be in trouble.
You're such a bitch.
I know. Yeah, I'm having fun.
I'm trying to be nice here, you know. Yes. Yes. Get the truck muddy. Oh, that's everywhere. I do have to check on something over here. Some issues over here. At one point, we're doing okay. Holy crow.
Over there, but
You just close your door so you're not dropping mud on me, you goof.
It's pretty bad.
I'm up, just... Oh, mud. Yes, that's very neat. You're a goof.